Welcome to Learning English with Capt Binoy Varakil, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Calicut. Today we discuss another concept in phonology, and it is allophone. Some time ago we discussed phoneme, and now we are discussing allophone. We have to understand what is an allophone, or rather what are the differences between a phoneme and an allophone. We will understand an allophone, of course, with some examples. But before that, we have to define allophone. So allophone or an allophone is one of a set of multiple possible spoken sounds used to pronounce a single phoneme. Okay, we have one phoneme, a single phoneme, and that single phoneme can be pronounced differently, and the different variations or different varied sounds of a single phoneme is what is known as an allophone. Or it's simple and very easy to understand. So we have one phoneme, and this particular phoneme can be pronounced differently in different sounds because of the nearby sounds. The nearby sounds is influencing the same phoneme, and when a phoneme is pronounced differently, it is, of course, that difference is making it an allophone. Let us understand it with the help of some examples. So we have a word like pin. Pin is the word, first word, pin. Next word is spin. Okay, spin. Another word is spring. Spring. Yet another word is spell. Okay, so we have four words here on the board: pin, spin, spring, and spell. But when we look at the very way each of these words are articulated, we understand that the p in each is different. Say we have pin, we have spin, we have spring, of course we have spell. We have to understand the fact that pin is pin, and this pin is different from this spin. The first p is aspirated, and that sound is different, and that such different sounds, okay, different pattern of the same phoneme is what is known as allophone. So pin is, of course, aspirated, and that aspirated pin is indicated with something like this square bracket. Within square bracket we have the p and a small h on top of that. So this is in fact these slanting lines. The slanting lines indicate the fact that it is a phoneme, and the square bracket indicate the fact that it is, of course, an allophone. So an allophone is marked with square brackets, right? Square brackets. Okay. So first one we have aspiration, and additional air is let out with forcefully, and we say pin, air is coming out, right? And that aspiration is indicated with a small h on top. So spin, it is unaspirated. This p, pin, spin, spring, and this one spring p is again different because of the sound nearby. Spell is again different. So different variations of the same phoneme is known as allophone. From, of course, word to word, phoneme to phoneme, it is different. Similarly, we have what is known as clear L and dark L. So clear L and dark L are allophonic variations of L, the lateral sound. Say for example, we have the word leave, and now of course we have another one, that is of course fell down. So this L and this L is different. So clear L, dark L. So different ways of the articulation or pronunciation of the same phoneme is what is known as allophone or allophones. Okay, so I think with this you understood what we mean by allophone. Thank you very much for listening. May God bless you.